But if they've got a job, they're working from home, right? And what's interesting, I found today is a list. CNN talked about a college, uh, a career center at a university that's making their database public. You know, they have a database of 30,000 remote job opportunities. I'm not 30,000, 3,000 remote job opportunities, and they're making it public to the open to the public. Anybody can. So it's a good place to find 30,000 jobs. You could work at home. And it's, if you go to this website, CSU, that's Cal State, CSUESTBAY, Cal State, CSU, Cal State University, East Bay. So CSUEASTBAY.edu. Okay. And then remote job opportunities. So you click here, find a job, and they have list after list. What they've been doing, they have their researchers combing the want ads for work at home jobs, remote, everything from a game programmer to artist to an editor to a matte painting. I don't even know what some of these things are. Customer service representatives, English annotators, I don't know, freelance content writer, software engineer, all this, 3,000 of them there, and the links to how to apply to them. So it's worth looking at if you're looking for a job, right? Because it's hard to come by nowadays. And look at here, videographer and editor. So that's remote. You know how to use a camera? There's a job here for you. Technical writer. Anybody can technical write, right? Who knows? Editorial manager. Some of them are, finance, customer success manager. Oh, customer success. You want that, don't you? General counsel. That's a lawyer. Wow. A writer, remote writers. So there's this kind of stuff that's going on. The stuff is out there. It takes work. It takes digging. And that's why I got Let's Go Help, is to show you these alternative sources. But to use this, you don't have to join. Just go to that website. Okay. It's called CSUEASTBAY.edu. Okay. And get a job today. Well, may take a few days.